In this video, you will see how to assemble the FPGA board with the PPS Analyzer shield in the aluminum enclosure. The PPS Analyzer with the aluminum enclosure comes pre-assembled. To install the FPGA board, first remove the 4 not fully tightened screws with a Torx screwdriver size T10. Once all screws are removed, you can slide the 2 pieces of the enclosure to open it. Let's now prepare the separately ordered FPGA board. You receive the card with a QR code containing the link to the download. The login information are on the back. Download the Universal PPS Analyzer.zip file and unpack it. Start Vivado and open the Hardware Manager. Please connect the FPGA board via the micro USB connector. In the Hardware Manager, click on Open Target and the available devices will be displayed. If you have multiple devices connected, make sure to open the correct one. Now, you can add the configuration memory device. Select the correct one. It will directly ask if you would like to program it. Click on OK. Next, you can choose the bitstream to program the flash. In the unpacked zip file, you will find documentation, FPGA bitstreams, and tool as folder. 3 different boards are supported: Arty A7 35T, 100T, and Arty S7 50. In our case, we have the Arty A7 35T version. Select the PPS Analyzer top.bin file and click OK to program the flash. To check if the flashing was successful, you can now click on Boot from Configuration Memory Device. When the flashing is successful, the Alive LED on the board will start blinking. In the next step, the FPGA board will be installed. The program board is now ready to connect to the PPS Analyzer shield. Carefully check if the alignment of the Arduino header is correct, then gently push the board until the pins are fully inserted into the header. Now, you can carefully slide the 2 case parts into each other. Make sure not to crack the USB connector. The 2 rubber nubs on the bottom help to align and secure the base board. Check the alignment of the base board with the cutout. Now you can tighten the screws again. While doing so, press the 2 case parts together. Your PPS Analyzer is now ready to use. Let's start your PPS Analyzer. Connect your PPS Analyzer again via the micro USB connector. The device will boot and the PPS Out reference LED will start blinking. Thank you for watching and happy pulse per second analyzing.